There's the kitten and Romeo playing, playing, playing. Oh, she got hurt a little bit. There she goes running. What are you guys doing? What are you guys doing? He always throws it up in the air and catches it. What are you doing under there, sweetheart? You want to go play with the kitty? She's going over to him. He's over there playing with the toy. What are you guys doing over there? And of course, Yogurt's over there eating. Yogurt Bear's over there eating. There he is. There he is. Say hi. Don't say no to me. Say hi. Don't say no to me. Say hi. What are you guys doing over here in the corner? What's wrong? What we been doing? In there. Oh, there's Yogurt Bear. That's Teddy Bear eating. There's Yogurt Bear. Yogurt Bear. You gonna clean your foot? Mom's over there playing. And the kitten's behind me on the couch. Hi, honey. Don't tell me no. Got an itch in your ear. Okay, say bye to Kylie. Say I love you, Kylie. Watch him jump off. Say I love you, Kylie. Jump, jump. Good job. Bye.